iOS 26 security features you must turn on before your iPhone gets stolen.
Imagine this. Your iPhone gets stolen, and within seconds, the thief tries to change your Apple ID, turn off Find My, or reset your device. But here's the good news. iOS 26 just made that almost impossible. Today I'm going to show you the new security features that protect your iPhone even if someone steals it, and how to check if they're already turned on. Let's jump in.
Stolen device protection, your first line of defense. This is the most powerful anti-theft upgrade Apple has ever released. With stolen device protection on, even if someone knows your passcode, they can't change your Apple ID, turn off Find My, view sensitive information, or reset your device. Why? Because iOS 26 forces Face ID or Touch ID from you, plus a 1-hour security delay for any critical action done in an unfamiliar location. How to check if it's on? Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, Stolen Device Protection. Make sure it says On. Find My iPhone, never disable this. This is your lifeline if your phone disappears. Find My lets you track your iPhone, lock it instantly with Lost Mode, and erase all data remotely. Check it. Settings, your Apple ID. Find My iPhone, on. And don't forget to enable Send Last Location so your phone reports its location before the battery dies.
Recovery key, for when everything goes wrong. If your device is lost and you're locked out of your Apple ID, this is your only way back. Set up a recovery key and store it somewhere safe. Check it. Settings, Apple ID, Sign In and Security, Recovery key.
Lock screen restrictions. Small settings, huge protection. A lot of thieves swipe down the control center to kill your internet. Disable access from the lock screen and they can't do anything. Check these. Settings, Face ID and Passcode. Control center, off. USB accessories, off. Wallet, off. And that's it. iOS 6 gives you some of the strongest anti-theft protections ever built into the iPhone. Turn these features on today, and your device becomes nearly impossible to hijack, even if someone steals it. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tell me which iOS feature you want me to cover next.